Is lofcoin.com a revolutionary crypto platform or just another cleverly disguised trap in the digital finance world? The moment I came across this site, I was curious. lofcoin.com presents itself as a modern and promising exchange where you can easily buy, sell, and trade major cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Solana, and Binance Coin. For anyone even slightly interested in crypto, that sounds like an opportunity worth checking out. But here's where things start to unravel, because the deeper I looked, the more the red flags began to appear, and fast. First of all, Lofcoin has no verified security certifications, which is extremely alarming for a platform that's supposed to handle sensitive financial transactions. In a world where cybersecurity is everything, this omission isn't just a flaw, it's a major risk. Then there's the fact that the domain is brand new, barely a few months old, which raises serious questions about its credibility and trustworthiness. A truly legit platform usually has a proven history and presence, but Lofcoin is just getting started, and not in a good way. It doesn't stop there. The design of the website looks like a copy-paste job from countless other shady crypto sites we've seen before, using the same template-style layout with little to no effort in creating something original or professional. That's often a tactic used by scammers to create multiple scam platforms quickly. What really caught my attention was the fake name dropping. They throw around names of major coins and projects, creating an illusion of trust and credibility, but there's no real evidence of partnerships or endorsements. This tactic is aimed at manipulating new or inexperienced investors. Even worse, there are no genuine user reviews, no presence on major forums, no YouTube testimonials, and not a single real discussion about Lofcoin on trusted crypto communities like Reddit, CoinMarketCap, or Trustpilot. That's highly unusual, because when a platform is truly legit, people talk about it good or bad. When I analyzed the behavior of the site and cross-checked several details, I noticed suspicious patterns in how they present information: vague, overly positive, and lacking any transparency about who runs the company or where it is based. These are classic warning signs of a potential crypto scam. However, I'm not here to tell you it's a 100% scam or make baseless accusations. I'm here to give you the facts, lay them all out, and let you decide. lofcoin.com may seem like a tempting new opportunity in the crypto world, but when you connect all the dots, it becomes hard to ignore how risky it appears. So before you invest your hard-earned money, ask yourself, can you really trust a brand new site with zero transparency, no security guarantees, and no community backing? The choice is yours, but in crypto, caution is everything.